Now, folks, what happened to me that time when I was making the knurled nut was I turned around and my hands were greasy, and it appeared that it won't work the tapping on the phone. I mean, a proper phone would be a proper camcorder would be the right thing, but you can't get a pause record on them. So here are my 3 knurled nuts. Do you see? And if we look here carefully, you can see the knurling pattern there. I'll just try the different. It's not coming up too clear. No. Yeah, you see it there. And then we'll go back down here again. There's 1. Go back to 1. It's not showing it the way I look at it there now. There you are. That's it. And when they're done, if you really spend the time on them and give them time and proper lubrication at the correct speed, you will have points. You'll have them pointed, you know. That's my finger there. See? So you have them nice and straight, and you have the knurl on it. And that gives you a great grip. So when you want to make something with that, you can grip that with your finger. Really good grip. So this will probably come up as a short video, and I wish it didn't. This is the type of thing I want to do. Do you see? I want to braise that nut onto a bar with a threaded end for certain different things. But the point about it is I need to be able to catch that with my fingers. I don't want to be getting a spanner. I want to have it hand tightness. And the knurling is ideal for that. It is a lovely artistic thing, really, when you look at it. It's something I love doing. And I'm sure you could get different knurls. Anyway, folks, that's it. I'm sorry about me camera break. I think it's the greasy hands that's doing it. But anyway, at least you see how it's worked. And I'll post a link to this if it's a short video. I'll do the 3 on the knurling. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.